I need to play. It's something like Play-Doh. I switch it up, it's something like Play-Doh. I switch it up, it's something like Play-Doh. You bitch like Play-Doh, it's something like Play-Doh. It's something like Play-Doh, it's something like Play-Doh. I switch it up, now it's something like Play-Doh. It's something like Play-Doh, it's something like Play-Doh. It's something like payroll, it's something like payroll. I put you bitches up in the glass and I something like Play-Doh. Y'all niggas talking that shit about me, niggas stand with Play-Doh. Y'all niggas talking like do what that bitch is better be low. Let's see, bro, I'm not trying to be no American hero. These niggas outside, nigga, I ride they back like an ego. And I keep it real to my distant lovers. These bitches talking all that shit, they just some distant motherfuckers, they hate it. Niggas be contemplating, motherfuckers just be waiting on your next fucked up move. So they be just so patient, impatient, embracing all these bitches facing, all these niggas casing, all these bitches shaking. Watching me for what? Watching me for what? If you keep watching me, you better be sick like a duck. When I up in this roving, all these bitches stay rolling, all my niggas stay rolling, holding heat what you holding. Holding heat what you holding. Holding heat what you smoking. Holding heat what you rolling. Holding heat what you holding. Holding heat like you holding. Something like Play-Doh. It's 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 something like Play-Doh. You just like Play-Doh. You just like Play-Doh. These niggas like Play-Doh. We catch them at Toys R Us. Niggas like kids and shit. Niggas the guns I bust. In that God we trust, but in that money we love. In that God we trust, but in that gun we gon' bust.